Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time. Please forgive me. It is the month of December and a lot just been going on this December and stuff like that. But I'm putting Vaseline on my face because I don't know if my face look pale or not, or ashy, but it's not ashy. I'm just pale. I'm real light skinned, y'all. So when it get wintertime, I get pale and stuff like that, and I probably do look sleepy. I really did just wake up. But in this vlog, I'm going to be going to Publix for something. I think it's like, it's not a casserole, but it's a what they call, it's like little croissants and stuff like that I seen on TikTok. My little sister seen it on TikTok, and of course she wanted to make it. She sent it to my mom and stuff like that, and we all wanted to make it. Like, oh, that looks good. So I'm going to Publix to get some extra stuff that my mom forgot. I was supposed to go to Publix and get everything because I was going to record it, but it's okay. We need to do more stuff. So yeah, this vlog I'm gonna be doing that. I might insert the TikTok in here, or I might just show y'all. I might not insert it because I'm not sure how it works. Like if you want to insert something from TikTok on your YouTube, I don't know how that works. But that's what I want to do today, and hopefully I can get them to get in the camera, like where they want to be in the camera, because I do want to record us making it as well, just because it's been so long. But yes, I'm gonna head to Publix right now, and y'all finna come with me. I'm kind of nervous because this is my first time having a camera, y'all. I got a camera. If you seen it on my YouTube, y'all probably did. I have a camera, and I also post it on TikTok. So if y'all don't go, I also post it on my TikTok, but I do eventually have a camera, y'all. I have the what is it called, the Sony Z4E10 camera, and thanks to my mom for giving me that. But yes, I do have a camera, and this is my first time going in public with like a lot of people in my hometown. Let me say my hometown, because it's not my first time in public with the camera, but it is my first time with an actual camera and not my phone. I'm a little nervous about that. I'm trying to see how that's gonna go. But if you know me, then you know I naturally have the, like, what if you looking at, like, people will just be staring, or I just be like, I don't care about this and this and that about you looking and stuff like that. So yeah, I am a little nervous about that. But y'all gonna follow my TikTok. Y'all gonna follow my TikTok, because I did post it on my TikTok that I got a camera and stuff like that. My TikTok is Adore.derica. It be in my descriptions and stuff like that. So y'all go follow my TikTok. Y'all follow me on TikTok. Some of y'all probably do come from TikTok. I'm not sure. If y'all don't mind, like, comment down below, like, where y'all from. I want to see where y'all from, because I think I got like 30 subscribers. Y'all, I finally got out to 20 subscribers, so thank y'all to the 10 extra subscribers that came. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much. Now we just on the road to 50. I think I get to 50. I know I can get to 50 for a fact. I know I can. Y'all, I'm just getting into this, like, just being consistent type of stuff. Stay tuned. Just forgive me for not being consistent and stuff like that. I know I'm supposed to be consistent, but forgive me. It's okay. We all go through some. But 2024, I have so much in store for y'all, and I'm so excited. So excited for it. But yes, y'all, let me head to the store, because my mom probably don't even know I'm still sitting outside. I'm gonna head to the store, get this stuff. Y'all, I did put a mask on. I made it to Publix. I put a mask on because y'all know, well, y'all probably don't know, but the flu is going around, child. The flu going around, so you know, gotta stay protected. Hopefully y'all can still hear me. If y'all don't, well, I know y'all can be able to hear me, so we ain't even gonna say that. So yes, I did make it to the Publix. I'm finna go in and stuff like that. Y'all, I'm so nervous, but okay, I'm ready. I might take this off because I don't really like masks no more. But yeah, I made it. So y'all, I really cannot find the rosemary. I'm looking for rosemary, but that says organic. I don't want no organic rosemary. And I'm just gonna keep looking. I don't really see it, y'all. See, this what happens when you go to a grocery store, you don't really know what you're looking for. I know what I'm looking for, but I just don't see it. I don't want no organic rosemary. I want the regular kind, not organic. And she said it was by the carrots, and the carrots are back there. Like, does she want fresh rosemary? That says parsley. All this stuff is organic. Since when Publix have organic stuff? 'Cause I honestly don't know. Whoa, hold on. So y'all, I did end up finding. Ooh, that's close. Ooh, I did end up finding the rosemary and chimes. I just had to get the organic ones. I didn't want these, but this already had. Got me a fruit cup. Ooh, they ain't even got the buy one get one thing no more. And I found the rosemary. Ooh, focus, 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 focus. I got the rosemary. Now I'm looking for pens. Hopefully I can find it. They done changed a lot of stuff around in here. Let me go back. Cause they done changed it. They used to have the pens down there. Let me see. Y'all don't be want to get nobody else's face on my stuff now. It's not down this aisle, the cleaning aisle. Frozen pizza. They done changed it. Clicking. So here's the video of what I'm trying to make. Let's see, focus. Okay. Something like this. Okay, y'all. So I showed y'all what where we was gonna make. Have the croissants. We got the seasonings. We got the milk. We got the what are these? Rosemary and the thymes. I don't know what that is. Sliced ham. I don't know why she didn't get the other ham. And we got this turkey. We got Hawaiian rolls. I guess we're gonna do half croissants and half Hawaiian rolls. I guess that's what we're gonna do. We got the butter. So I'm just waiting for her to just come on, you know. So we got everything set up. Got everything set up. So yeah.
Homemade whipping cream.
What is it for?
Homemade whipping cream. You're gonna need that before with the croissants.
Thought it was the egg.
Nope.
You're not using the egg?
Where's my
You're not using the egg?
Yes, we are.
Using 3 eggs?
She said use 3 to 4 eggs.
Ew.
Then put your whipping cream in here. Demai, you want to do this while here.
Whip the eggs.
Go here, get your space over here. Whip that while I cut the croissant.
You know how to whip?
You stir.
You're right. Whipping is like this. Let me see.
I'm whipping. I think.
Like this.
Yeah, that's whipping.
That's what I'm doing.
You can kind of tilt the bowl too.
Dangerous?
Maybe not. Oh, you got on my finger.
Okay, so she's cutting the croissants
into 3s.
Probably could have did 2.
Yeah, because these not big as
Yeah,
she had. She had the Costco croissants. But then again, you probably want them smaller because she didn't put a lot of meat in hers. I'm about to load this up with meat and cheese.
With different meats, I don't know why.
Because some people like ham. Some people like turkey. She said you could use I think that may be enough.
Yeah, I think that's enough. It's done.
Okay.
This is thyme.
I honestly don't think that's how you say it, but
It
is. Okay.
You can call it thyme if you want to,
No.
since it's THY. And rosemary. I don't want to use a lot of it because it's kind of powerful.
I don't want to use it at all.
I know. You smell it? I'll use just a few.
Are you done with this? That's strong.
Mm-hmm.
That's a weak.
You better be.
I better be what?
Weak. This really is like your garnish for real.
I think that's for decorations.
Yeah, it does enhance the flavor though.
Okay, I think that's enough.
You think?
Yeah. She didn't say how much of that she even used.
Well, it's up to your taste. We don't eat this no more. Okay, that was the egg mixture.
Oh, I thought you said you was done with it.
Where's the pepper? Salt. Pepper. She didn't say this, but we like black pepper. Where's the whisk? And the cheeses.
Yep, and let them drip
And
off.
Holy Spirit. We ain't got time for one at a time.
I didn't think she didn't want them to be soggy, and you're doing it a little bit too much.
I did that because you said what you said. Okay, girls. Flip them over.
Are you gonna pour that in there like she did?
A little bit, not all of that. That's too much for me.
So she said use the Swiss cheese. I'm also gonna cut the Swiss cheese up. Okay.
I should lift it out. I'm gonna cut it again because we're gonna fill in those spaces. I don't want it too cheesy. Cut the cheese like in half or thirds.
You don't want it too cheesy, but you got 3 different cheeses. Don't step over that.
Cheese it up, guys. Ain't good. We sure gonna pretend like it is.
Cool.
And she did some little cutesy stuff.
Yeah, she put it.
She was folding them like flowers.
Mm-hmm.
There's more than one. She folded it in half like a flower. That one is a half a piece. But we're gonna show it some love too. I really want my gloves on because I usually. The other side is gonna be turkey. Where?
Right here.
In the corner.
Yes.
I want every bite, don't you?
Is somebody calling you? Oh, she is. So this side is gonna be ham, and this side is gonna be turkey. Since I eat both, but my sister she only eats the turkey, and everybody else just eats both, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you go pour the rest of this after you do it.
Yeah, I think
Just
I
a
put
little
the
bit.
cheese over it too.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna go on start the yeah, preheat the oven. Okay, we're gonna pour the rest of it. Well, just a little bit. We don't
sauce, which is butter, honey, and rosemary and thyme. I baked this at about 350 degrees until the cheese melts, so about 10 to 12 minutes. And then I'm gonna cover the croissant part with that honey butter. Guys, when I tell you this is chef's kiss, everyone loves this, and let me know if you try it. Full recipe will be on my blog.
So we're done with this. Oh, she put more cheese on it. We love cheese.
Holiday events, things like that. If you just want to pop out with something quick and simple, this ham and Swiss croissant bake is chef's kiss. Okay? I'm sure you're gonna make it. You're gonna take those croissants and you are going to.
So we're gonna put this in the oven for how many minutes?
15.
15 minutes. Then we'll come back, put the little honey butter on there. You can go ahead. I'm gonna mix this up. After that's on for 15 minutes, we're gonna come back and then put this on there, and we're gonna try it. So I'm just gonna mix this. Huh? Oh, honey butter. I guess you can't really some more. So the stuff is in the oven. Got 10 more minutes, but I mixed this, so I'll come back and show y'all. Then we're gonna taste this. Weird. So I'm about to do a taste test. I thought we were all gonna do it, but obviously not. So it doesn't matter.
With your hands. Tomorrow you want some? Get your plate.
This is full of ham.
Ham.
That's good. She like ham, huh? You want ham or turkey?
It's turkey for you.
I was gonna say now, why would... See, I told you she eat ham. I like it. Good breakfast.
10 out of 5 out of 10.
A 5 out of 10.
Ooh, that's horrible.
I'm saying, is that what you asked?
Mm-hmm.
A 7. I don't really like all the cheese on top. It's good though, and it's full of meat. What you get? But that is the end of the vlog. What should I call this? Like a TikTok vlog? Or making a TikTok recipe? That's it, you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I forgot what I asked y'all to do at the beginning of the video. I forgot, so I'm not gonna say it. But thank you for watching, guys. Bye. It's connected to you.